So let's go through the buying procedure and see what your customers get on Vimeo. Obviously, you're going to share this Happy Me sale video at the top, and they will jump in and sign up for it and pay, right? So now, when they first come, watch trailer. So the trailer comes on. I just recorded a quick trailer. Hey guys, this is Paul. This is the trailer for my up-and-coming video that you can now purchase here on Vimeo, and this is what you're going to get. Obviously do your spiel, but you need a trailer video, right? That's this one. Right, so you've obviously got a fancy trailer, and at the top now it says what you're going to get and the bonuses. So we're going to try and buy this and see what happens. So buy the stream. We've got a choice of renting or buying over here. And I'm going to sign up for Vimeo. So I want to sign up. Let's do test. My email. Put this in and join with email. So right now they have joined Vimeo. And now they have to pay one way or another for Vimeo, okay? So obviously credit card available, they can pay or with PayPal, or they can add those promo codes. So one of the promo codes was free. Let's apply it and see if it works. So it did. Now free works. And I'm going to apply the Happy Me code, see if that worked. That was the VIP access. So if you want your friends and family to watch it, or you've, like it said, you've sold this on GoFundMe, or you've got Patreons you want to share the VIP access with, we can now apply the VIP access. The code is invalid. I may not have set that up properly. I might have to slow that video a bit down to make sure it's correct. Set the save for future purposes. Yeah, let's have a quick look at that setting. Let's go back. Promotions. Happy Me, stream forever, action. Once you add a VIP access, you will not be able to remove all get codes. Sorry. So it looks like there is an actual batch of codes that these people will get. So it's going to create 1,000 codes. So the code isn't Happy Me, because then they could obviously tell all their friends. So this is actually a better way of doing it, right? So Excel will eventually open, and now here's the code. So here's the code you give to your. You can sell a batch of codes. So now when we go back and apply this code, that makes sense. Apply this code. Now that one is a verified code rather than just giving a password out, which makes sense. Sorry, it's a list of codes that. So now when they continue, there's no option to get rid of that code, is there? So I'm going to continue. VIP access. Thanks for your elite. Enjoy your elite online screening. Watch now. This is going to launch my main video. This is the main event video. So upload your full feature, full whatever video it is, teaching lesson, movie, whatever it is, upload that in this main event. And then when they've purchased it, you've just purchased this, so you are watching the main event video. Obviously, it'd be a lot better than this one. And, of course, down the bottom now, the bonuses are unlocked. Or outtakes, your whatever feature, whatever bonus. Maybe it's the second bonus lesson, but make this the bonus one. You can make it public or private, but this will be your bonus one. And bonus 2 is now available. I met this bonus 2, whatever bonus 2 is. So I'm just uploading this for a video to show you the bonus, but multiple bonuses, multiple options, all fun. So this was the email that came through to say that I'd got access when I put it, so I can watch it again later. If I click on this, it's not my default browser, so it won't work. So what I'll do is I'll do it again, but go through and buy it on PayPal this time, right? So let's log out. Let's go back to The preview. It's just trying to do it on different pages where I'm logged out, isn't it? Go to the page. Here's the page. And we're going to just go through and purchase it this time. So I'm logged out. You can own this. Oh, I'm logged out. Come on. I logged out. I'm pretty... Oh. Ugh. Right. Try and do it too fast. Right. Here's the page. I'm logged out. I'm going to go and buy this. I've watched the trailer. I'm going to buy it. Paul Nicholson. Test. 1801. PaulNicholson.com. Here's my password. Join with email. This time I'm going to buy for £1, $1. So I'm going to use my PayPal, United Kingdom, buy. It's going to open a PayPal. Obviously, a credit card would work as well. I'm going to put my credit card number in. I'll have to block this part off. Obviously, I've just put my... I logged into PayPal, said, do you want to pay $1? And I'm going to request a code that will text me. PayPal does that. The dual verification, there is the number. Oh. This changes, so I don't need to... Oh, come on. 014. Identity confirmed. Redirecting. This will confirm the payment. Send to... apply and pay from my bank. I'll have to blow that bit out. $1 going through. And I have purchased my video, and just like the other way, I can click watch. This is the main event video, so upload your full feature. And the main event video works. So the customer's happy. The customer has got a verify their email account. They will then get their PayPal receipt as well. I'm not going to show you it because I'll have to blur it all out with all my personal details. I don't want to. Oh, it's okay. The email came through. I will show you it because if I scroll down, there's personal information. But this is obviously what they get. You authorize the payment of $1 to Vimeo. Your money will be transferred when the seller processes your payment. Thank you for using. And up the top here, you have the email that comes through that says you have purchased this and you can watch it. And obviously, if they've got a time limit or they can watch it whenever they want, then they can keep coming back to that email and then jumping on and watching that video. Finally, we'll just look at some stats. Obviously, there's not a lot of stats in that video I can show you. But when do you get paid will be a big question. You get it 30 days after the month's end. So today's like 4th or 5th of December. 8th of December. After January, I will get paid. So the 30 days starts at the end of the month. What this will be is so that if that customer, for some reason, requests a refund, and there's probably a 30-day refund policy, it clears the 30 days. So if Vimeo has repaid that person for any reason, they hated it, it wasn't what was that they wanted, that you need a 30-day grace, and then it's the next first of the month after that, right? So it could take you up to 30, it could take 59 days to get paid, but you're going to get paid on the first of the month, but 30 days clear of the month it was purchased. Going back to your video now, you will see you obviously have to put a tax form in if you're outside the US, which I would have to do if I was doing it. And at the top of my video, I can see some stats. And I can see 2 people have purchased it. I've got 2 sales. One's for $1. Obviously, one was for a coupon code. Here's the dollar amount here that it's raised or earned. Likes, plays, comments. Anybody asking any email questions, I think would come up there. Sources of payment, US dollars, US sales to countries, United Kingdom. I'm guessing it's classing the VIP as a sale. Analytics, there's more analytics back end, general analytics, trailer total loads, how many people have played the trailer, how many people have played it. So if your trailer's not working, maybe you need to change your trailer. how many likes, how many sales, gross revenue. You can add some columns. There's loads of different things there I guess you could add. Where the referrer has come from. So if you're doing it in a specific place, you can see where those people have come from if you've shared it on Facebook or something like that. Embeds, is it embedded anywhere? Obviously mine isn't. Geographic location and stuff like that. So it's going to give you the information you want on your video afterwards.